I open my eyes. A new day begins. Good morning to me. I feel very calm. I look great today. You really do. Feeling so confident? You should be. I like clean teeth. It helps me wake up. The sky is light blue. Fresh air comes inside. I drink hot tea. It feels comfortable. I eat fresh food. I do not hurry. I love how easy these are to open. So sweet and creamy. I think I'll have another one. I pick my clothes. They are simple and soft. My keys are here. I am ready. The air is cool. I take a breath.
Good morning, Lily.
I see my friend.
See you later.
The shop is open. I love this place. The leaves are green. They drink the water. You look like you enjoyed that. There you go. A little water to perk them up.
Wow, they look so much happier.
They love it. Now, which one would you like?
This purple one, please.
Excellent choice. I'll get that wrapped up for you. Someone is here. How can I help? I write a note. It is a gift. These tulips are so vibrant.
They really brighten the room.
The day is over. I go home now. The mist is soft. The town is quiet. I am home. It feels warm. I think about today. I feel ready.